Wow. That's a grandma fan if I've ever seen one. Welcome everyone to another fan testing video. What we have here is a rather interesting, I would probably guess early 80s for sure, American Industries fan. I don't know the model name of these. There's not a lot of literature out there about these. But what's really neato about this thing is the light kit. And I'm going to go ahead and walk up to it because it has a bit of local history. A company that I don't think still exists, you might be able to see, called, barely can see it, Southern Lighting, was based out of Plano. I don't know if they had a chain of stores or if it was just a brand. I'm not actually sure because I don't think they exist anymore. I sure haven't seen anything like that around here in Plano. But I've found a few different fans, quite a few actually, with different types of Southern Lighting light kits. They made all sorts of ring light kits like this for Casablancas and the likes. They made standard light kits like this. This is also Southern Lighting light kit. And even Dan Newman has a Four Seasons with a Southern Lighting light kit on it, and he lives in Wisconsin. So I don't know, I guess they must have been some kind of national brand. But yeah, it's pretty neat that this one came with a rather interesting variant of their light kits. This kind of cool Victorian downlighting thing. I don't know what else to call it. I chose these shades because I think they look the best with it, and I actually got these off of a fan with a Southern Lighting light kit on it, so it was kind of cool to pair them with another. Alan wanted these. He's not here, but from the internet, of course. I put them on and they're nice, but I don't think it looks as good. So that's that. Another funny thing about this is the flywheel. What side's broken? Oh, this side's broken actually. Haha. Technically, this flywheel's broken. I don't know if you can see that or not, but it is technically broken. However, it sits in such a way that it actually stays intact while it's on high speed and every other speed. So we're just going to test it anyway. So that's enough close-up looking around. It's kind of hard to get an angle from here, so I apologize for the moving. There. Alright, intro is over. Now we're going to actually get to the fan's performance. This is a 4-speed click control fan, so it's pretty neat. So here's the light kit. Very pretty. And there's the fan on its lowest speed. Unfortunately, I might have to get in the video a little bit. I really hate doing that, but whatever. Now this is a rather fast low speed, but this is the lowest setting, I'm pretty sure. Let me make sure. Yeah, that's the lowest speed. So it's definitely not aesthetic, but it is useful because of course it's moving air at this moment. And another thing I like about these American Industries fans is that the sideband's actually riveted together. Now it's not the prettiest thing in the world though, you can see the 3 rivets there maybe. And I didn't do anything to hide that, but it's better than taping it like Casablanca did. I just wish they would make them one piece. Casablanca later did that, but I wish they would have done it earlier on in their, or at least welded the back of it. That would have worked too. And it is a bit noisy, there's a buzz, but whatever, and these tight cane blades are amazing. Okay. Here's the second speed. It is only a bit faster. I mean, there's slight speed variation, but it's definitely not what I thought it would be. But regardless, it's a very cool fan. And quite frankly, with a new flywheel on it, I would love to put this in my grandma's den or family room with this exact combination. Now I'd leave it on high and put it on a wall control though, due to how high it would be. But this downward length is perfect for it. I think it would look really nice in there. But that's just me. I think she would like it a lot too. She likes Casablanca, how they look and everything. It's been really hard to convince them to let me put any kind of fans in there though. That's been the fun. I might be close to doing that, I don't know. Okay, next speed up. Maybe? No, that's the wrong way. Haha. My bad. This is medium high. I like the kind of simplified Casablanca canopy they have up there. It's not ribbed everywhere, and it's very similar in design, but also kind of unique. And of course it pushes a lot of air. I'm not sure what brand of motor this is. It might be a GE, based on how it vents on it look and everything, but who knows. I'll have to open it up later and figure that out. I'm eventually going to have to take it apart to replace that flywheel. Thankfully my work has quite a bit of the replacement flywheels, so I'll just throw one on. I never even noticed until I installed this that it actually had a cracked / broken flywheel. I believe 3 or 4 spokes are broken on this. Okay, here's high. It's not as fast on high as I thought it would be either, but it still moves a lot of air. I would say this is probably like pushing about roughly 200 RPM. Maybe a bit more. I don't know. That's my guess anyway. I got this at Habitat, I want to say half a year ago. I think I got it in the summer, and I just have not gotten around to testing it at all. This is one of the fans that's been sitting in my storage unit. And once you see the storage unit update video, you'll hear me talking about testing this plus a few other fans that you'll see in the coming days after this is uploaded. Probably not going to see this video uploaded until I guess probably tomorrow. Yeah, I guess I'll probably upload this tomorrow. So today's Wednesday. This is the first fan. No, wait, I'm going to do the Hunter stuff tomorrow. Sorry. Never mind. Alright. And there's the spin down for y'all. I'm not a big fan of reverse anyway, and I don't know if the flywheel's going to... It probably would stay intact in reverse, but eh. Reverse is dumb for videos, personally. And it's mostly dumb for being used in real life, too. In all reality, it's only good for, like, high ceiling rooms, truthfully. Doesn't do as much on the low ceilings. But, yeah, so... This is definitely one of the cooler fans in my collection, of course. I definitely love it absolutely a lot, and honestly this combination is just perfect. Definitely hope to be able to install this somewhere, but of course I'm going to do the flywheel first. I could, if I really got bored, super glue the flywheel, but that's just stupid. I have access to new ones, so I don't need to do anything ghetto like that. And the bearings are good too, which is nice. So, it's in pretty good shape otherwise. Guess they donated it because of that. Which is kind of crappy if you ask me. Why would you donate a broken fan to someone who does not have the provisions to fix it? But hey, more for me, I guess. So that's pretty much it. I hope y'all enjoyed. Thank you for watching, and until next time.